Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebral equations. So let's see solution from here. So if you have root x, so plus root x minus 9 equals 9. And this follows when we have a plus b squared. This equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So when we consider this expression, we know that from here, our a equals root x and b equals root x minus 9. Then from here, we are going to see this as root x squared plus root x minus 9 squared plus 2 multiplied by root x multiplied by root x minus 9 equals 9 squared. So from here we have root x, root and square cancelled, and here becomes x plus. So this also cancelled. We have this as x minus 9 plus, also this one we have 2 root x multiplied by root x minus 9 equals 81. And again from here, x plus x, that gives us 2x minus 9 plus 2. So root x multiplied by root x. So we have to put this in the same root, and we multiply this as x multiplied by x minus 9 equals 81. So let's take 2x minus 9 to other side. So in this side we have 2 multiplied by root x into bracket of x minus 9 equals 81. So when 9 come here, it comes plus 9, and here is minus 2x. So after having this, we are going to, so if this is what we have, and here is 2 multiplied by root, so x times x, that is x squared minus x times 9, we have 9x. This equals 81 plus 9, and that is 90 minus 2 times x, that is 2x. And from here, let's divide both sides by 2. When we divide both sides by 2, so 2 cancel 2. And here we have x squared minus 9x equals, so 2 in this we have 45 minus 2 cancel 2, we have x. And next, let's take the square of both sides. So by squaring both sides, we have this as x squared minus 9x. This equals 45 minus x squared. And then let's try to expand 45 minus x squared. So into here we have x squared minus 9x equals 45 minus x squared. We multiply it in 2 times, and here we have 45 minus x multiplied by 45 minus x. So by expanding this side, here is x squared minus 9x equals 45 times 45, that is 45 squared, minus 45 times x, we have 45x, minus x times 45, we have minus 45x, and here we have minus x times minus x, that is plus x squared. So looking at this, we have plus x squared and minus plus x squared cancelled. So into here we have minus 9x equals 45 squared minus 45 minus 45, that is minus 90x. Then we have to collect the like terms. By collecting the like terms, we have minus 9x. So here comes and it becomes plus 90x equals 45 squared. And from here, minus 9x plus 90x. So this gives us 81x equals 45 squared. And let's divide both sides by 81. By dividing both sides by 81 from here, 81 cancelled 81. Then we have our x equals 45 squared divided by 81. Then we know that 45 squared is given as 45 multiplied by 45. So therefore our x equals 45 multiplied by 45 divided by, also 81 is 9 multiplied by 9. So we can simply divide this. 9 here 1 and 9 in 45, that is 5. 9 here 1 and 9 in 45, that is 5. So we have to multiply 5 and 5 together. And 5 multiplied by 5, so that gives us 25. And so we get the value of x equals 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So 25 is the answer to this, as we are going to check. So to check if this answer is correct, so from here we have square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 equals 9. And by substituting the value of x, we have square root of 25 plus square root of 25 minus 9. We want to check if this equals 9. And into here, square root of 25, that is 5, plus we have this as square root of 25 minus 9. That gives us 16. So is this equals 9? So when we proceed, we have this as 5 plus square root of 16. That gives us 4. And is this equals 9? So looking at this, 4 plus 5, that is 9. So 9 equals 9. So here is the final answer. And this shows that x equals to 25 satisfy this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something today. So see you in the next class, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.